Hello friends, this is Shakeel and today I am going to discuss about a powerful AI tool that's called NotebookLM. I have already made one short video regarding this tool, but it is not possible to discuss about all the options of this AI tool. So today I have decided to make a long video about this software. So first of all, I will open the Chrome and I will type here NotebookLM. So the address of the website is www.notebooklm.google. Okay, so this is the website. I will click here. This is the address of the website. Now the first page will open like this. So here we have to press try notebook LM. I will click here. Now another window will open here. I will close this window now. So here the page will appear like this, and here I have to press this option create new. Okay, so let us see what will happen. Now a dialog box will open like this. You can see here we can upload any file. If you have any file, you can upload it here. This is the website, this is a drive. If you want to upload any file that is in your drive, Google Drive, you can directly go to this drive and upload it. And I will go here, I will press this copy text. Now it will ask me to paste a text here. I will go here, and this is the text, this is the topic. Google offers free AI courses with certificates. I will copy it from here, and I will directly paste it here. Okay, now I have to press the option insert. Now you can see what is going on. So it is going to uh, display the topic. So this is I will press here. You can see my topic is coming here. Google offers free AI courses with certificates. It is coming on this side. You can see here. Okay, now here are the options that I am going to show you. First of all, I can create the audio of this topic. That means the audio will be in the podcast format. If you do not have the time to read the topic, to read the whole article, you can listen the podcast. It will be between the two persons while you are driving or while you are walking. So it will make the video of the article. Here it will generate the map of the article regarding what is the theme of the article. Now here it will create the reports. Now here it will create the flashcards based on our data. Now here it will create the quiz. And now this option, it is the infographic. It will generate an AI infographic based on our data, on our content. And this option, it will create the slides of our content, and here it will create a data table of the content. So all these options are here. Now if I will press all these options, it will nearly take 10 to 12 13 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes it will take. So we do not have too much time, but I have already done this. The data is the same. This is the another window that I have opened, and I have already, the data is same. Google offers free AI courses. You can see it here. I will show you. Google offers free AI courses with certificates. The topic is same. Now I have already made these reports, which I am going to show you uh, what it has made for us. So I will show you one by one. So first of all, let me see what it has done here. I will go here. This is the our data. It has created the topic. It has selected the headlines, heading, and according to that heading it is displaying the data. Okay, here you can close it, and I will close it from here. Now the second, what it is the quiz, that it has generated a quiz already. You can see it has generated a quiz. So this is the quiz of the topic according to the source material. How this is the question and this is the answer it has created. So you have to select any which is the correct answer. You can select that from here. So this is another one. After that, I am going to show you. Now it has generated. I am going to show you one thing. It has look. It has generated
AI is changing, well, pretty much everything about how we work. But what if you could learn the most in-demand AI skills for free, directly from Google? So today, we're going to break down a new initiative that could seriously future-proof your career. You know, this quote really hits the nail on the head. AI isn't just some buzzword for techies anymore. It's becoming a core competency for literally everyone. Think of it like learning to use a computer 20 years ago. It's becoming just...
If you want to share this video, you can share it from here directly, and you can also download it if you want to download, and now if you want to close it, you can close it from here. Okay, now I will go downside, and we will see one by one what it has created. Now I will go here. It is the podcast. I will play it. You can
I was looking at the jobs report this morning, and then I switched over to LinkedIn, and it feels like we're in two completely different worlds.
Yeah, it's a bit of a strange landscape right now, isn't
This is the
it?
podcast.
On one hand, you have people just
They are discussing about the content.
terrified the robots are coming for their jobs.
And on the other, you have this relentless, almost manic optimism from tech saying, no, it's fine, it's just a tool.
It's just
Okay.
a tool. It's
It is
magic.
the podcast
It is
that
the
has
classic
already made,
anxiety.
You can listen while you are driving, while you are walking. So we can close it from here. Then after that, it will display the flashcards. I will also show you. So this is the question: why is AI literacy currently transcripting from an advantage to a core job skill? This is the question that it has already made the question. It has already made the answer also. So if you want to see the answer, you can click here. It will display the answer. Artificial intelligence is rapidly reshaping workplace across various industries. Okay, now it has created 60 question answers. Now we have to go here. Another question is, according to the text, what must candidates apply to AI outputs to ensure accuracy? Now if you want to see the answer, you can see the answer here, human judgment. Similarly, you can select one by one, and you can select the question, and you can see the answer of the question also. The questions are automatically created by the software, and the answer is also created by the AI directly. So you can expand it here, and you can close it from here. Okay, now let us go to the another option. This is the quiz, and now let's go here. So here it has created the slides. Now it has automatically created the slides. You can go here. So it will display whatever we have in the slides. It will all show here. You can zoom it, and also you can zoom it out. Suppose you want to select it here, and suppose you want to you display it will display the here. Suppose you will go here. These are all slides. You can see the slides. So you can download also. If you want to download these slides, you can download it from here, and if you want to close it, you can close it from here. You can plus it here, you can minus it here, and you can expand it if you want to expand, and you can do all the things from here. Suppose you want to take what is connected to Google AI courses. You can select here. It will display importance of AI skills, target audience, key courses offered, and suppose you want to see what is connected with this target audience, you can select here. You can see job seekers, educators and students, business owners, working professionals. Now Google career certificates, you can click here. It will display the branch related to this option: data analysis, project management, cyber security, digital marketing, IT support, and UX work. So it is very easy. Just you can download it here, and you can close it from here. So it is very easy to use this software. You just try this NotebookLM, and try all these softwares all its options, whatever options are here. Just try all these options. So I hope you liked the video, and I hope that you find this information very useful. Thank you very much.